Okay then, here we are at Romans 12 FX, and we're going over why do 90% of Forex traders blow their account? Okay, this number could actually be a lot higher than 90%, but we're going to go over in this video why it is that these 90% of Forex traders lose or do not profit. I think a lot of people may be aware of this number and may know that it's so high, but number one, they don't know the reasons why it's so high, and number two, they don't try and go against them 90%. Okay, so if the 90% are doing something, why don't we go against them and do what they're not doing? Yeah. Hopefully that make a little bit more sense come the end of the video, and if you take our training course, all of this will be explained in a lot more detail. Okay, okay. So the 90% chase their losses. Yeah, so if our system tells us to take a trade and we take that trade, but a day or 2 days later, the trade is going against us, some people would deviate from their system and either go back into what they were trying, say they were buying the GBP USD, and it was going short and they were losing. People would then try and buy back in to hedge their losses. Um, don't advise that at all. Not at all. You stick with a system that we provide. Obviously, try and better that system, but with the course that we give, um, stick with the system. Yeah, don't deviate from it. Don't chase losses. If you have a loser, take it on the chin and go again. Yeah, we would only be losing 2% of our whole account balance anyway. So the 90% chase their losses. Yeah, so once they've lost, they can't take that on the chin, and they try and go in again and again and again, risking more, taking less probable trades, just doing loads of silly things. Okay, chasing their losses, trying to get the money back that they've already lost. Simple as that. The 90% do not have any money management. They probably don't even know what money management is, if they have any at all. This is our 2% risk. Yeah, this is knowing how important risking only 2% is. Everyone knows that you're going to hit bad runs within trading. Money management is crucial. And again, we go into that in a lot more detail on our course. The 90% have no trading structure. Yeah, so some people will just go into the day and without even having any structure at all. Do they check news? What time do they look at their charts? Where will their stop loss be? Where will their take profit be? All of these, yeah, all of the above. There is no structure that the 90% have. Trading the Romans way, we have structure. Yeah, we know the exact times we're trading. We know what we look for. We know with certainty when we do not trade. There is a lot of structure there within our system. The 90% overtrade. Yeah, so some people, like I said, they're chasing their losses. If you're losing, you may then enter 2, 3, 4 more trades that are not even probable. Don't overtrade. I trade or try to trade 2, 3 trades per week. Doesn't sound like a lot, but obviously I'm a day trader, so the pip amount is, or the pips profit amount is what I'm out for, is what I'm looking for. The 90% do not backtest their system. This is very important. Whatever your system is, whatever structure you've got, backtest it and backtest it and backtest it. Make sure that it's proven historically, and then take it into a demo, check it works in live form, and then take it into real money. Don't jump straight into real money. That's probably the main reason why a lot of people blow their first account. Yeah, it's because they don't backtest their system. They just think whatever they've watched on YouTube or seen on Instagram, they think that's going to work for them every single time. It's not like that at all. Backtest your system, have confidence in it, and when you've gained confidence, then and only then you can start adding more risk. Okay. All right. So that is it. That's a quick overview on why the 90% blow their account. If you don't want to be in the 90%, if you want to be in the top 10% that are actually making profit and who are not blowing their whole account, yeah, who do have structure, who do not overtrade, who have backtested the system, who do have money management, and who do not chase their losses. If that is something you want, come over and join us at Romans 12. We have a whole load of courses available for you on the website. We've also got a free course for Forex beginners. Yeah, it's just an introduction course. So please have that. That is going for £1 on our website. Okay, thank you, and I'll see you next time.